Sorry, I had to turn the TV down so I don't get copyright infringement. Okay, so this is going to be attached to the door, the one that's broken and doesn't open. And it would be really expensive, and I don't need it anyway. So my van has 6 double doors, so it has 3 sets of double doors. So that'll be attached to the door that doesn't open, and there'll be I'm going to leave a shoe bag hanging on this door because I'll be able to open and shut that door and still access it to put stuff if I go to the grocery or whatnot. And I'll still be able to access it from the outside. And I can even still put waters on the bottom or whatnot, but I can still access it, get in and out, put stuff on the floor from behind the driver's seat. This is going to attach to the door. That one of those doors on that side behind the driver's seat, it's 2 double doors that open on each side and in the back. Anyway, that one doesn't open. So I created this, just basically, really, for all intents and purposes, it's a ladder. And I'm a big fan of using what you have. So it's all just deck screws. I love deck screws. And these are from curtain rods. I put some curtain rods up in the van, some little teeny tiny cafe rods. I use the existing screws from the old window blinds. And I kept these wall hanger things. They work great. And I just put a bunch of screws in. Under here I did put a reinforcer. I may not even need it, but you know what? It doesn't hurt. So when you want to, okay, so under here, there's going to be stuff on that shelf. It's just going to be stuff I don't need to get to all the time. It might be like coffee, cooking stuff, whatever. So when you want to use this, again, this is going to be attached to the door. And it will be a little bit higher. So this is going to be about waist high. So you pull it up and take the strap from an old hat. I mean, we still have the hat and use it, but the strap came off. So, and it gets attached right there onto the hanger. Okay. You could actually leave these on and see it just pulls around. See, I don't have to take that one off because it's secure. And just pull it around like that, okay? And then it's very strong. I mean, you can't sit on it. You can't have real heavy stuff on it, but it will hold the collapsible sink. It'll hold my small grill, my butane cook stove, just to make coffee and stuff. So I have the cook stove here, my coffee stuff here, and a few things there. And I do have a piece of metal I saved, and it's going to go behind here so that it's there's no heat coming back. But really, it's not much heat anyway from those little butane stoves. I'll have the window. I'll have it pop. So it's one that opens from the side, just, you know, those van windows. And so it'll ventilate while I'm cooking. Also, if I have my son on the bed and I'm doing a change or medication, this is going to be right next to the bed. The bed is right next to it. So, as I said, this will be about waist high once it gets installed, because those go right down into the part that you step in to get out. And what is going to fit here, and I've already measured it, it's about 14, this is about 14 inches high. So you can put 2-liter bottles. You can put the gallon water jugs from Dollar Tree. All that fits. You can, it's a lot of storage. So you could actually even put something else there if you wanted to keep any tools or extension cords, things like that, because it's going to have the door behind it. So it will have something holding it in as well. So when you want to put the shelf down, that's it. just move the cords and down. And it doesn't flop around. If you feel better, you can put a cup hook or just about anything, even another little screw, and put something around it, but I'm just not that concerned about it. I may in the future, I don't know. So it will be standing straight up, and this will be my waist. Okay.